Do you know that eating raisins offers a variety of health benefits due to their rich nutritional profile? Here are some key reasons why raisins are good for you. Rich in antioxidants, raisins contain polyphenolic antioxidants, such as catechins, which help combat free radicals in the body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. High in fiber. Raisins are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. Fiber also supports heart health by reducing cholesterol levels too.